Hi, my name is Roxana Alfaro, and this is my eukaryotic cell model. And what I'm going to do is explain how each organelles function in a cell. And first, we're going to explain how the cell membrane works, which is represented by the plate. And basically, what the cell membrane is the thin layer of protein and fat that surrounds the cell. It's the barrier between the cell and its environment. It supports and protects, and it also controls the movement of materials that comes in and out of the cell. It also maintains homeostasis. Next, we have our cytoplasm, which is the frosty. And this is like a jelly-like material outside the cell nucleus, and what it does is supports and protects the cell organelles. The Golgi apparatus is the little folded gum that I have here, and it has a cis and trans phase, and basically what it does is modify proteins made by the cell, and it also packages them and exports them. And next we have our liposomes, which is my Smarties over here in the corner. And this is where the digestive of cell nutrients takes place. It also breaks down the larger food molecules into smaller molecules and then digests old cell parts. Next we have our mitochondria. What it does, it breaks down the sugar and it releases energy, mainly like glucose, and they are represented by my lima beans over here. Next, we have our nucleus, which is the pecan filling, and this is where the ribosomes are produced. The nucleus, which is the crust, the pie crust, it controls many of the functions of the cell and it contains DNA. Next, our ribosomes, which is the nerds, the blue nerds right here in the corner. Basically, what they do is synthesize proteins. Next, we have both our rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and what the rough one does is just transports materials through the cell and produces proteins. The green smooth endoplasmic reticulum material is just it contains the enzymes and produces and digests lipids and membrane proteins. And the last, we have our vacuole, which is right over, where is it? Right here. If you can see it. It's a little jawbreakers. And basically what they do is store food and water, and they remove the toxic waste that the cell wants to get rid of. And this is my cell model. You can see how close.